Lesson 5. Master the letter A. First, let's think about the clock. The letter A will sit inside this upright parallelogram, which I've marked here with the time 11, 12, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Now, our first stroke must be the upstroke I'm going up to make. You might ask, why do I need that stroke? Well, this is the mechanical starting stroke that you need to use every time you make a letter if you wish to do penmanship in the old classic style, a style which will make your writing feel more like a dance. Let's start. I'm going up to make. Come inside this 11 o'clock corner, lift your pen to 1 o'clock, and then you will be making the A shape in this box based on the U, as I've previously shown you. Let's move on to the clock now. I'm going up to make. This one can come all the way in, leaving a little shaded area there on the box. Move to 1 o'clock. Now, you don't go over and back. That is a misconception. You lift the pen, go to 1 o'clock, push back horizontally, cross the corner, down to 7 o'clock, and you're already making a U shape at this point. To master the letter A, always remember, start with the I'm going up to make stroke to the red line. Then lift your pen to the 1 o'clock corner, push back horizontally, curve around the 11 o'clock corner, fall to the 7 o'clock corner, swing up to 1 o'clock and pause. Get your balance at this point. You can lift your pen off if you wish. Follow up with a downstroke to the 5 o'clock corner, slow into the corner and accelerate out. You'll find if you slow into this corner but do not stop, and you can accelerate out. This movement is very much like driving a car into a tight corner. You've got to slow into it and accelerate out. Don't go to the bottom and stop and come up. You will end up with a point. Slow to almost stalling speed and then accelerate out. So the movements again, I'm going up to make. Move to 1 o'clock, horizontally back, across the corner, down to the 7 o'clock corner. Do not stop the pen but slow down. Accelerate up, pause, down slowly and accelerate up to the line. So you'll finish on the red line. This line will be parallel to this line. These lines will have an effect of parallelity as well. So here you have the arrows, up, back, down, up, down, up, up, back, down, up,